Hey everyone, it's Dishinger, and today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this amazing special effects alien look. I really hope you guys like it. And without further ado, let's get started. On my face, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I don't like to put too much foundation on because then it's going to look so cakey, and that's not the look that we're going for. Next, I'm going in with the Bernardo Vasquez brush, and I'm just taking this with some Kevyn Aucoin concealer, and I'm just going to start carving out my brows. So I like to go basically all around my brow in a lighter color just to kind of make the brows pop out a little more, and since this is a crazier look, I do want the brows to be a bit more defined. So all I do is I follow the same process all around the brow. I outline it, and then I blend the concealer out to oblivion once the sharp edge meets the really soft edge. So for the upper part of the eye, I'm really thinking I go into this bright neon shade. This stuff is going on my lid. And then now we are going to do the rest of the eyes. So I'm going to take Pluto from the top right here. So for the final part of the eye look, I'm going to be taking my signature Forever Lips in Bowie. I'm just taking a couple drops under my eye right here, right here, right here, and right here. And we're just going to blend it out just a little bit. Alright, so now that the fabulous eyes are done, I'm going to be taking these new face laces. I'm so excited to use these, and I'm just going to put them on my eye. Lastly, how could we forget highlighting? Today, for highlighting, I'm taking my Jeffree Star Peach Goddess highlighter, and we are putting this on the cheek, and I'm just taking a MAC 159. We're just doing a little bit in the pan, and then we are giving it a little bit of spritz of some Fix Plus setting spray. Today I'm taking my Formula Z Cosmetics Bowie Liquid Lipstick, and we're putting this all over the lips. And we're back. So this completes the whole look for the alien transformation. I really hope you guys liked it. I went ahead and of course put my wig on and my nails by the amazing Luminary Nails, and I really love how this look came out. I went ahead and put a gloss over my Forever Lips Formula Z liquid lipstick, and the really cool part about that formula is that you can still put a gloss on top of it, and it's still going to remain so richly pigmented, and it's still going to stay all day while being 100% vegan and cruelty free. That is the whole look. I really hope you guys liked it. Be sure to follow Formula Z Cosmetics on Instagram as well as myself, Zach Dish, and I will see you next time. Bye!